Girl, like, I think this Nique and King thing is dying down. Like, my For You page, if I didn't want to know. Usually I don't, like, look at YouTuber couples, ex-couples and stuff like that. I don't even look at YouTube couples. But, my God, it was all over my For You page. Like, damn. Damn.
Everybody needs some company.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taja Babes, and I'm back with another video. But go ahead, before we do that, like, subscribe. Don't forget to take that notification button, because y'all just looking at me. More y'all looking at me instead of subscribing or getting views or anything. Like, y'all just looking at me and stuff like that. Y'all don't want to subscribe to me and all that. Go ahead, subscribe, girl. But if you see the video, I just did my makeup, and so now I'm about to like cleanse and get into that routine of cleansing after I do my makeup. So I'm gonna show you what I use. First, hands down, this is the best makeup removal wipes ever. It's the Honest Company. I gotta get some more, but it's for all skin types, and when I tell you, you only need to use one of these wipes and it's gonna take your whole makeup off. Okay, so Honest. Then when I wash my face, I use these extra large clean towels. I got this from Target, like $7. Very good. This is what you use once you finish washing your face. It's good instead of using like a towel. Then I'm gonna be using Instant Balm Good Molecules. Focus, baby. But yeah, and this is for like melting contact to skin to dissolve makeup, dirt, and polluted. So this is what I use. And then after that, I use the soap that I make myself. This is my rose gold soap. I have different ingredients in here. I'm gonna have to show you like what type of ingredients. So actually I could make this one video. I could make a video of how I make my cleanser bars. I have different cleanser bars that I make for myself. So y'all gonna see this. And because of my soap, my skin is very much smooth. And then I go after and I use my Wake Up eye gel. I have not used that today, so I'm going to be using that. That's in Good Molecules. And then I'm going to be using the Brighten Toner from Good Molecules for my darker spots. And then afterwards, also I'm going to use the serum, because I have the serum, but it's in my other bathroom. And then I go back, I got this from Target too. Don't make me say this name, La Roche-Posay. And this is what I use for my moisturizer. After I do that, everything like dry up, I use this to like get my face back to moisturizer. So yeah, let's get started with the video. The Honest wipes right now is gonna wipe off the makeup that I did, and you could tell they're like coming off, like. But you still need to, you know, cleanse yourself. But okay, so this is just one side, and I'm gonna do the other side to wipe off the rest of it. I tell you, these are the best makeup wipe removers. Like it. All you need is one towel. Usually some makeup removers, not gonna say names, but I'm gonna say the name. You get it from Walmart. You have to use like 2 or 3 to get it. And this one, it only took one. Literally took one. Okay, once I do that, I'll be using this. This is what it looks like in the jar. I got a little spoonie here. Let me take this off. Okay, you can see that I've been using the hell out of it, yes, and I just put it all over my skin, and I try to like wipe it off so I won't have like more makeup residue. Okay, so once I do that, let me see this. So I'll put this all over my face. Let me go, and I'm going to grab a towelette so when I wash my face I could wipe it down. And also I need like the band, so I'm gonna get that next time. When I do this again, I'm gonna get like so the water will come through my elbows. I need to get that. I saw that somewhere. Y'all, I had to grab this for my hair. No, I didn't put this on my, girl, I'm too clumsy. Okay, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is with the balm, I'm just gonna wipe it all over, and let me have the water hot already. So I'm just rubbing this all over my face right now. I'm gonna have to get a what that is, a tripod, so I have to trapeze, so I can put it right here, so I don't have to like look on here or look at the mirror. You see my skin is like oily. So right now I'm gonna wash it off. So wipe my eyes, and I'm gonna dry everything. And you could tell since it is like oily, like this solution to get like all the dirt out, that's where the soap that I made come in handy, right? And this is a cleanse bar. This is one of my cleanse bars to cleanse. And if y'all see, I gotta look at that lather. Hold on, y'all, because you gotta hit it. See that lather? Y'all see that lather? Okay, that lather. So what I do is I do it with my hands. And y'all, since I've been using my soap, it's been cleansed. My face been clean, and also my skin been soft. And the reason why I do this, because even though they have products out there, I use every product, and I was like, you know what, I could probably make my own products. And so that's what I did. I made my own like soaps and stuff. Like I don't have a lab to make my own little like serum and, you know, do all that, but that's gonna come. But I love how I did this. It's my little creation. I put different type of ingredients, and y'all, since I've been using this, my skin been cleansed, and my face has just been soft. It's been smooth like a baby's bottom. You see that lather? You see that lather? That's my rose gold. Okay, that's my rose gold. Yeah, I'm rose gold. So once I do that, because even though the good molecules, even though that is a good product for like to get away dirt, I don't think it's so oily. It's like, okay, I need something so my like pores won't clog. Not saying it will clog it, but I don't know, it don't give away all the dirt, just to make sure that all the makeup is wiped off, because like you just don't want, that's how you get like pimples and breakouts, especially when you keep like makeup residues on your face. Like that's just not a good look. So that's why I made my bars. I kid you not, y'all. This is the residue from when I did the, this is the residue that I did. And let me show you another one. I'm gonna get another towelette, because I got another one. And I'm gonna show you that my cleanse bar basically is taken off. And how they're taking off the makeup that I have. See? It's like taking off the makeup. And y'all, there's barely makeup on here. Just my cleanse bar took it off. Yes, I took it off. So yeah, y'all, and I have this bump right here. So I have to get my black soap. But I didn't want to use so much soap. So after that, I deal with eczema, so I already put it on my neck this morning. But yeah. So right now I'm gonna be doing the eye gel for my bags underneath my eyes. I don't have bags underneath my eyes, but still in all, nothing wrong having an eye gel. Also, I need like a little the little electric thing to go underneath here. But I just put this all over underneath my eyes. Okay. And I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna be doing my serum next. Okay, so I'm in the other bathroom, and I have the Good Molecules Brighten Toner, and I have the corrector serum. So I do the toner first, and I put it in a cotton swab. And what I do is I go in the area of like my dark spots. To get rid of my dark spots. So I do that. And that's just like dirt. And it takes off even if I don't have makeup on. It takes off, like I see it like wipe up my dark circles, my dark spots. So it definitely works. And it's not like no advertising. I see my skin a little bit better, like things are like a little bit brighter. Then I put the serum all over. And I do this every day. This is like my skincare routine that symbolize me being in my main character era. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and switch to that video, baby, because this is the romancing of my life. Skincare and taking care of my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry, and then once I let that dry, I'm gonna go with the final. So, tip: always let everything dry. Let everything dry before you put more products. Just dry. Let everything dry. I let my eye cream dry. I'm gonna let this the toner and the like serum kind of comes together a little bit because yeah, it just comes together. So you just let that dry. It don't take that long to dry, and then finish everything up. Okay, so I'm back into my other bathroom. I let the other products like dry. It don't take that long to dry, which is good. And so I'm gonna show y'all, this is my last, this is really good. Get this from Target, and a little goes a long way. It is moisturize my face. It held it in like all day, and I feel so refreshed. I put up here. And yeah, and I just put it all over and wash my hands afterwards, wash off the products. But thank y'all so much for watching. So this was my skincare routine, and this will be my routine even if I don't have makeup on. This is like my routine with my other soaps. If you want to see how I made my soap, go ahead and like this video and comment, because I'm gonna automatically do it because I just want y'all to, you know, learn how to do stuff for yourself. Kind of, you know, that's also tap into your main character energy, just doing things yourself. So yeah, that's my skincare routine, and I love it. every day. I'm gonna put the products that I use down below if y'all just want to, you know, mess with it and see if it's good products for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on the notification, because I got more videos for y'all. And if y'all say like my skin is so clear, the reason why is because I drink water. I only drink water and sparkling water with no flavor, and that's how I get my skin a little bit clearer. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.
Me have compare patron.